So, this is an Azeron gaming keypad. I have no idea how to open it. I spent 2 minutes and failed. Search, Azeron unboxing.
Kind of competitive. That's better than you.
Okay, fine.
Okay, who likes Fortnite?
Here we got the keypad, a palm rest, and a bag of 3 screwdrivers, 4 thumbsticks and a screw. This keypad has 26 programmable keys, most of them are just like mouse buttons. It's really easy to press. I was using an optical switch keyboard and I think Azeron is just fine. This is an analog stick, it's just like a controller stick, you can push it and press it. And this button here is a D-pad, and you can press it as well. You can adjust these parts, and these parts, and these parts. The distance of this part can be adjusted, and after removing the 4 screws we can remove this rail. This part is replaceable, you can purchase the rails on Azeron website. Be careful, don't tighten these screws too much, I already broke 2 of them. I think the best thing about Azeron is, it's a small keypad. The keyboard I used to play with was a full-size keyboard. I have to put my mouse pad pretty far to avoid this situation. And my arms are too short. After I bought this $200 keyboard, Razer released this. And this.
Why you bully me?
This is the Azeron software. You can bind your keys here. It allows you to bind your keys to any controller stick, button, and trigger, and of course, any key on your keyboard and mouse. And here you can edit the analog stick. You can set the angle, dead zone, and sensitivity, or bind it to keyboard keys. Currently, Fortnite banned people from using mouse and controller stick at the same time. So I have to set this analog stick like this. This is pretty close to controller movement. I think it's fine. But you know which game allows you to use your mouse and joystick at the same time? GTA 5.
Sarang, this is mate.
I barely know how to drive with WASD, but with Azeron I can drive with the analog stick and aim with my mouse. And, just cost 3.
Understood. We are providing additional manpower to the location.